Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara and here I do unboxings, reviews, this, that, and the other. I need to do more reviews. Y'all just be like, Tara, we want to see the reviews. Just tell me. If you tell me, I'll do it. So, and tell me what you want to see reviewed. Today I have P. Louise, which is one of my favorite boxes. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, Lorella and P. Louise are running side by side. Like both of them to me are the best boxes. P. Louise kind of has the packaging where Lorella has like just that kind of family. Like their boxes are great, their products are great, but they have me wrapped up in like their lives and stuff like that. And I have some really good stuff coming from them, so stay tuned for that. But today we have P. Louise, and this is their December sub box. So let's unbox this. I have not looked at it. Y'all like, subscribe, comment. I never know where to start with P. Louise. Okay, so we'll start here. Let's go. Okay, so this is Smitten. Babe, you're... Okay, wait. Babe, you've got me smitten. So what is this? Already got a palette going. Look at that. Look how cute. Ooh, that's lippies. That's lip stuff. So, yeah. Oops. Okay. So, let's see. These are definitely my colors. My kind of colors. And let's go here. So I don't know if you can tell, like I put on a color, like she doesn't name a lot of her colors. So there we go. You got a whole bunch of colors and you can see, like I picked just the very middle one. So, all right. On to the next. This is... But baby, it's cold outside. And yeah, it is. It's cold and rainy and a little snowy. I want it to be more snowy. Like, it depresses me whenever it's just cold and rainy. I love the snow. But no matter what, like, after a while, like, you just get tired of the cold. And it's like, can I please get some warm air? So, this is a blusher. Oh my gosh. She doesn't name a lot of her stuff, but like, look at that. You've got a sweater and mittens and cocoa. uh, and earmuffs. Like, how cute. Okay. So cute. Okay, so this is last but not least. I mean, you got 3 things in this box. But it always blows you away, no matter what. Like, P. Louise got me. Oh, look at that. The packaging. Unlike anything I've ever seen in my life. Alright, so this is... Hang on. You look... Oh, wait. If looks could chill. I have kind of a cold. I have a little bit of a cold. Just I've had like a runny nose since stupid December started. So yes, if looks could chill, let's try it. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys seen it because my light is kind of in the way. I still don't know if you can see it. Okay, hang on. Yes, like... Okay. There we go. Is it full of sweaters? Oh my gosh. Okay, hang on. Yes, like ah, it's a bunch of sweaters in there. All right, and of course the beautiful like the packaging just it's either just I don't know. I don't think it's ever been so funny. Okay. All right, here we go. So, if looks could chill. Oh, and this is definitely some chilly colors. So, there we go. Got some blue, some very, very, very blue, which is not my thing, but that's okay. This will just go to somebody and so I will very much give this to one of my babes because y'all deserve it, and I will not use that. I want to do blue, and I like there are times that I think that I can pull blue off, but it doesn't happen. Like it just doesn't. So this is definitely going to go, and I'm not going to say that this is a giveaway. Like I already owe Nicole. I still have to get Nicole's out. So maybe once I get Nicole's out, I can call it a giveaway. And maybe I'll give this to Nicole. I don't know. Like, because she has waited so long on what I have packaged for her. It's just been, like I said in one of my last videos, like it's been a long December. And if you did get the 2 songs, it was A Long December and Glycerine by Bush. And A Long December is, I want to say the Black Crows. It's not the Black Crows. It is I can't think of it. It's been a long December and there's reason to believe. I cannot sing, but for some I can't think of the name of the band. Any other time I could tell you like that. But of course, like now I can't. But it's Mr. Jones. It's why can't I do this right now? It drives me crazy whenever my brain like does this. Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna shut up now. My P. Louise, there was only a few things, but those few things were amazing. As always. She just knows how to do a budget box. Like, I mean, this is one of the, I mean, I'm paying $50 for Chick, and what did I get in Chick? Is it anything that you can remember? No. This, you can remember. Like, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, remember last year whenever we got the sweaters and the P. Louise thing? Like, that's the difference. Like, I don't know. There are a couple of really good boxes right now and a bunch of really bad ones. So, I don't know. It's time. Like, I've been saying, it's time to cut. I'm already cutting. Like, I've been cutting. I'm almost to the point where I don't have a lot of content to make, but I have so much content to make with the reviews. So that's what I really want to start focusing on. So that's what y'all just let me know. What do you want to see me review? What do you want to see me talk about? One of y'all mentioned just start talking about your 90s rock band t-shirts. Like, I could do that. I could do that all day. So, all right, I'm going to shut up now, and I'll see y'all in the next. Mwah.